Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to link data between Sheets and Google Sheets so you can keep your information connected and updated automatically. First, open Google Sheets on your computer and either open the document you want to work on or create a new sheet. Click on the cell where you want to create the link and type an equal sign. Next, type the sheet number and the cell you want to link. For example, if you want to link the first cell on the second sheet, type Sheet 2 A1. If you want to link cell A2 on the third sheet, type Sheet 3 A2. Remember, the syntax is the sheet name or number followed by an exclamation mark, then the cell reference. If your sheet has a custom name or contains spaces, put the sheet name in single quotes. For example, if your sheet is called Data Sheet and you want to link cell B2, type equals datasheet B2. To import multiple cells at once, type the range in your formula. For example, if you want to link cells C1 to C10 from sheet 2, type the formula. Keep in mind this won't combine all the data into one cell. Instead, it links each cell relative to its position. For example, if you paste a formula in A2, it will show the value from C2. If you paste it in A3, it will show the value from C3, and so on. If you see a #ref error, that means the cell you're linking to doesn't exist or there's a syntax mistake. Double check the sheet name and cell reference to make sure everything is correct. To avoid typing errors, you can also link cells by clicking. Start by typing equals in the cell you want to link. Then click on the sheet you want to link from, click on the cell you want, and press enter. This will automatically create the link without any spelling mistakes. If you want to copy a range of values, click and drag your mouse to select all the cells you want to link, and Google Sheets will automatically create the corresponding links. And that's how you link data between sheets in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip.